Welcome to Bisarthi. My name is Shreya Pandey and I am your business studies educator, and today I am going to give a test for business studies for chapter business services and emerging modes of a business and social responsibility of a business. So some topics are important in that whole chapters. So I am taking the test from that portions. So first question is for like one word kind of questions, and you have to answer in a one word. Okay. And second question is for, these questions are for CBSE based patterns, and second question is for assertion and reasoning, and third one is for short questions and long question, and fourth one is for long questions, and fifth one is HOTS. I have prepared this question, higher order thinking skills. Okay, I have prepared this question. And so first one is, which ones, name the one services that provide risk coverage. Okay, risk coverage, who provides insurance. Second one is, what is the B2C model in a business? B2C model is business to customer. Okay, just like Meesho, Amazon, and Flipkart, all the social media, all the e-commerce business. Third one is, state any one responsibility of a business towards a different employees. For fair wages, what you can give a fair wages to the employees and good working condition that you can write. Give one example of warehousing, retail stores you can write, and cold storage facility. Fifth one is, mention one financial institution you accept deposit and deposit from the public and advance loan or provide loans. You know that. The one who accept deposit and advance loan. Which financial institution? The name, banker or commercial banks you can write. Don't write SBI, State Bank of India. You don't have to write. SBI is the biggest commercial bank, okay, and they accept deposit and advance loan. But SBI is not the only bank who accept deposit and advance loan, so you cannot write that SBI simple. Okay, you have to write banks for this question. Second one is assertion reasoning. You have to speak whether they are assertion, whether A is right and R is wrong, or both are true, and like that only. First question is, e-business required less capital than traditional business? Yes. There is no need to spend money on delivery and storage of goods. Of course, if you are opening a e-business, you need to delivery. You have to deliver the goods to the customer, towards a customer. Na? You have to maintain a warehouse to keep your inventory or stocks. Okay, so storage facility you need a delivery also, man. So A is true, but R is false. Second one is, legal responsibility is one of the type of the social responsibility of business. Yes, sir. And reason is, legal responsibility means that a business should help poor people. No, legal responsibility, you have to follow the rules and regulations of the law. That's all. This is wrong. A is true and R is false. Bank provide loans to the business. Yes, sir. To help them grow. Banks are allowed to print money? No, because banks are not allowed to print money. Who is printing the money? Only RBI, because RBI is having a monopoly to issue to issue notes and all. Apart from 1 rupee note, every note is issued by the Reserve Bank of India. Section C you have to do by yourself. Explain 3 types of emerging modes of business. Here you can write anything like B2C and B2B and business to business, business to customer, or you can write outsourcing and smart business you can write. That's up to you. Okay, 3 you have to explain, that is for 3 marks. And assertion reasoning 3 you have to do, and 3 marks. 5 questions, 1 marks each. And a short question you have to know. Long question, explain the role of transportation and warehousing in business. So what is the role of transportation and warehousing in the business, and why are they considered essential for the smooth flow of goods from producers to consumer? You have to explain that. You have to explain these answers. You have to give you these answers according to your in your own words, because that is not the question, book based question. You have to use your critical thinking and give it the answer according to your point of view. Okay, what's the question? Reena runs a successful Instagram page, okay, selling handmade soaps. She has no physical store. Which type of business she is doing? So first she's doing because she don't have any physical store, but she's running a Instagram page, so that is e-business. Okay, identify any 2 resources she must rely on. Rely on means dependent on. Identify 2 resources she must be dependent on. That 2 resources is what? Transportation. Transportation, and the first one is websites. If she have a website, then in website there she's selling the products. She must have a website. Okay, and one challenge you have to tell, and she may face one challenge if she's facing, and the one advantage is this you can tell with yourself. Okay, that's all for today, and solve this question paper, short question answer. And if you are having any problem in any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video, and do subscribe my channel for business studies doubt.